Ian King is pitching a new AI stock which, according to him, will explode in the next few days. But as usual, he won't tell you the name of the stock unless you pull out your credit card and pay him almost $2,000. But don't worry, I have good news. I used the clues in his presentation to figure out which stock he's talking about, and I'll reveal it for free in this video. King is also pitching 2 bonus stocks, and I'll reveal those too. So if you watch this video to the end, you'll get 3 stock picks without having to spend nearly $2,000. I'll also share some useful information, including the pros and cons of each stock, to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with the first stock. Ian described the first stock as a company that makes 3D printed blood vessels and has the potential to be the first big winner in tech bio. Ian is talking about a company called Humite. But why does Ian think you should buy Humite? Let me break it down. First, we need to understand what this company actually does. Humite is a biotechnology company focused on regenerative medicine, particularly the development of bioengineered human tissues and organs. Their flagship product is the Human Acellular Vessel, which is designed for use in vascular surgeries and offers a durable and biocompatible alternative to synthetic grafts. The HAV is created using tissue engineering techniques, where human cells are grown on a scaffold and then decellularized to leave behind a collagen-rich structure that can be implanted without the risk of immune rejection. There are many reasons to invest in Humite, so let's go over them one at a time. For starters, the HAV product has already demonstrated promising results in clinical trials, which could lead to widespread adoption in vascular surgeries. Additionally, the company's pipeline includes other tissue-engineered products that could expand its market reach, potentially transforming it into a leader in the regenerative medicine space. Finally, the growing focus on sustainable and biocompatible medical solutions positions Humite well in an evolving healthcare landscape. However, keep in mind that it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Investing in Humite also comes with significant risks. The company's financial health is heavily reliant on continued funding, as many of its products are still in the pre-commercialization phase. The stock is also subject to the high volatility common in biotech stocks, where a single failed trial or delay in regulatory approval can lead to sharp declines in stock value. Additionally, the competitive landscape in regenerative medicine is fierce, with numerous companies vying for market share, which could impact Humite's growth trajectory. Overall, as of recent reports, Humite's financial position shows both promise and challenges. The company has been experiencing steady growth in its research and development expenditures, which reflects its commitment to advancing its technology. However, the stock has shown volatility, influenced by broader market conditions and the speculative nature of biotech investments. So, what's the bottom line? Humite is a high-risk, high-reward stock, and investors should consider their risk tolerance before making any investment in the company. The next stock Ian is pitching is in a special report called "Could AI Mean the End of Chemotherapy?" The main clues for this stock are that this company was started in a tiny basement lab in Oregon, specializes in the creation of brand new antibiotics using innovative zero-shot AI developed in collaboration with NVIDIA, and has big pharma partnerships worth $1.5 billion. The company Ian is talking about is AbbVie Corporation. AbbVie Corporation is a biotechnology company that specializes in artificial intelligence-driven drug discovery and development. The company has developed a cutting-edge platform that integrates deep learning AI with synthetic biology to design and optimize proteins and antibodies for therapeutic use. AbbVie's technology aims to accelerate the drug development process by enabling faster and more accurate prediction of protein functions, ultimately reducing the time and cost involved in bringing new drugs to market. There are many reasons to invest in AbbVie, so let's go over them one at a time. For starters, investing in AbbVie Corporation presents the opportunity to capitalize on the growing convergence of AI and biotechnology, both of which are set for significant growth in the near future. Also, the company's innovative platform has the potential to revolutionize drug discovery, making it a key player in the biopharma industry. AbbVie's partnerships with major pharmaceutical companies validate its technology and offer potential revenue streams through collaborative agreements and licensing deals. However, despite its potential, investing in AbbVie Corporation carries considerable risks. The company is still in its early stages, with many of its AI-driven discoveries yet to reach commercialization. This means that AbbVie is heavily reliant on continued innovation and successful collaborations to drive future growth. The stock is also subject to volatility, as investor sentiment can be swayed by the speculative nature of early-stage biotech investments and people's tendency to make high-risk gambles. Now, on to their financials. As of their latest quarterly report, AbbVie has had steady growth. For Q2 2024, the company reported revenue of $4.2 million, up significantly from $2.1 million in the same period last year. This doubling of revenue indicates that their technology is gaining traction in the market. However, like many biotech startups, AbbVie is not yet profitable. They reported a net loss of $22.3 million for the quarter, which is wider than the $16.7 million loss they posted a year ago. This increase in losses is primarily due to ramping up their R&D efforts and expanding their platform capabilities. AbbVie's stock performance has been somewhat volatile, which is typical for biotech companies. Overall, AbbVie's stock performance reflects the typical highs and lows of a young biotech company in an emerging field. So the takeaway here is that while AbbVie Corporation offers a unique investment opportunity at the intersection of AI and biotech, it's still a high-risk, high-reward company. Now, I should point out that, personally, I do not prefer this style of investing. I don't like high-risk, high-reward when the alternative is so much better. The style of investing I prefer is called asymmetric investing, and it's all about finding low-risk, high-reward opportunities. This means finding companies that are undervalued and have a lot of potential to grow in the future. You can buy these companies for cheap, and since they are undervalued, your risk of losing money is low, but your potential reward is very high. This is exactly how the greatest investors in the world, like Warren Buffett, built their fortunes. But you don't need to sacrifice every waking hour to find these stocks. I have a better solution. Click the link in the description, and I'll send you an issue of the only stock-picking newsletter that I use and recommend. I'm literally giving it away for free, so just click the link in the description, and I'll send it right away. Ian's last special report is titled, How Nanotechnology Will Conquer the Flu. Ian claims this company's universal flu shot could be up to 100% effective and protect its customers for 5 to 10 years. They have over 400 patents and patent applications. I believe King is talking about BioNvax Pharmaceuticals. BioNvax Pharmaceuticals is an Israeli biopharmaceutical company focused on the development and commercialization of innovative immunotherapy solutions. The company is best known for its work on a universal influenza vaccine, aiming to provide broad and long-lasting protection against multiple strains of the flu virus. BioNvax leverages its proprietary technology to develop next-generation vaccines and antibodies that address significant unmet medical needs. Investing in BioNvax Pharmaceuticals offers the potential for high returns, particularly if its universal influenza vaccine successfully reaches commercialization. The company's focus on addressing a global health challenge with a universal vaccine presents a significant market opportunity. Additionally, BioNvax's experience in vaccine development and its strategic partnerships with leading research institutions and health organizations bolster its position in the competitive biotech landscape. However, investing in BioNvax Pharmaceuticals comes with considerable risks. The company's lead product, the universal flu vaccine, is still in the clinical trial phase, and its future success hinges on favorable trial outcomes and regulatory approvals. The stock has been highly volatile, reflecting the speculative nature of investing in a company with a single primary product in development. Moreover, delays or setbacks in the clinical or regulatory process could significantly impact the company's financial health and stock performance. The company has faced significant challenges, including setbacks in clinical trials for its universal flu vaccine. Despite these hurdles, BioNvax continues to pursue new strategic initiatives. Recently, the company has shifted its focus towards developing nano-sized antibodies for the treatment of infectious diseases and autoimmune conditions. This strategic pivot includes collaborations with leading institutions like the Max Planck Institute in Germany, positioning BioNvax at the forefront of next-generation therapeutic development. Just like the others, BioNvax Pharmaceuticals also presents a high-risk, high-reward investment opportunity in the biotech sector. So do your research and be careful. Now, if you're sick of these risky stocks and want to grow your wealth the smart way, I have good news. Get ready for a breath of fresh air. I recently started using an amazing stock-picking service called the Insider Newsletter, and I'm in love. The team behind the Insider Newsletter doesn't focus on marketing, which is why you've likely never heard of them, and that's a good thing. The Insider Newsletter is my favorite stock-picking service because instead of pumping out exaggerated stock teasers and advertisements, The team dedicates almost all their energy to good old-fashioned stock market research. So it's no surprise that the Insider newsletter has been absolutely crushing the market since starting its service a few years ago. I love how the researchers behind the Insider newsletter only share valuable stocks that most investors have never even heard of. This gives their subscribers an advantage since they can jump on these investment opportunities for a very low price before everyone else. I want you to experience their newsletter for yourself, so I have something special for you. Click the link in the description and I'll send you one of their past newsletters with 5 stock picks for free. I'm literally giving it away for free, so click the link in the description and check it out.